because today you are all going to do course right in front of me by sharing your screen. Okay. So today I'll make sure that everyone has bookmarked the page, and also we'll try to create a personal login. If time permits, we'll see. Okay, we will try to create a personal login from all of you, right? Wherein you can all link with your Gmail ID. Whoever has Gmail ID can link it with them. We will learn about what is debugging, right? So debugging is the process of finding errors, okay, and removing it. So students, here's the challenge for you all. Do not shout. Please raise your hands. Okay, I will call one by one. So yes, you can all start raising your hands, those who know the answer. Okay, Siddhi has raised first, so I'm giving Siddhi. Next is Rayan, next chance. Yeah, tell me, Siddhi.
Well, we have to put a forward slash for the second body and the forward slash for the second HTML.
Excellent, Siddhi. Okay, claps to you. I'm going to assign you all a web development course today. Actually, a web development course already assigned. Lesson 2, I'm going to assign you all, and you are all going to code in WebLab, okay, and debug some pages. This is a sample web page written in HTML. Okay, so don't worry, don't get confused. We'll be learning about all the elements in few classes of it, right? So for now, you are just going to inspect the elements. So how? So you are going to use an inspector tool. All right, so you can see when I click on this, okay, you can see over here the inspector tool, right? See, inspector off is written no. Yeah, you have to turn it on, the inspector tool, so that it will tell you from which code we are producing which content. Okay.